Nova, the RP2040-based development board crafted for developers who demand power, versatility, and performance in their projects. At the heart of Nova is the dual-core ARM Cortex-M0 processor, providing the computational power necessary for advanced applications and rapid prototyping. With its integrated LED matrix and a plethora of GPIO pins, Nova allows you to build sophisticated projects like interactive dashboards, IoT devices, and sensor networks with ease. Consider this interactive display that processes environmental data such as temperature and humidity. With just a few lines of code, you can bring your ideas to life. Nova is an open-source hardware, fully compatible with both the Arduino IDE and MicroPython, allowing you to leverage your existing skills and rapidly iterate on your designs. What truly sets it apart is its flexibility. Whether you're developing embedded systems, working on automation projects, or exploring new algorithms, this board is designed to meet your needs. And with your support, we can bring this innovative tool to developers around the globe.